Hello everyone, my name is John. I'm the founder of AI Fab. And first of all, thanks for having me here in addition to the original 6 Mosaic teams. And I'm not sure if you know which day today is. It's actually Doctor's Day. So I think pitching medical AI as a service is the best gift that I can give for doctors. And first of all, actually there are like thousands of doctors in Taiwan solely that are looking to expanding their capabilities into AIs. But however, cross-domain communication is a problem. And also doctors are short of time. They need to spend their time into the patient visits and also to medical researches. But AI itself is deep to learn the deep learning. And also all AI teams are expensive. And our solution is that we provide an OpenAI Fab medical AI platform. So we basically treat medical AI as a service. And so within 1 to 3 hours, doctors could talk with us for the medical needs. And we work on the AI models using our use case references and also many AI modules. And we also take into consideration the AI operations. And in contrast to the traditional approaches, which is treating AI project as projects, it takes 18 months and the cost is very high, $1 million. But what we do here is that we provide the medical AI as a subscription service. So we charge them one AI scientist cost and giving them the results of the AI models. And the market size 2 years ago is already $20 billion for the medical market, and it is expected in 2026 to be $264 billion. And for the point, line, and area, we already work with many doctors, and now we're looking to collaborate with AI centers in hospitals. And next, we're going to become the regional hospital service providers for medical AIs. And we aim to become the branded medical AI solution provider. So OpenAI Fab, we have the medical experts in our team, and we already work with many hospitals, and also we already cut into several divisions, including the card and the food tanker. Yeah, and in contrast with many other AI companies, they're still struggling entering into the white tower. So startup companies need to focus. So we spend around 70% of our effort on the medical AI, but we also need to consider some something like COVID-19 this year. So we still work with our existing customers in gaming and legal industry. And for the financial projection, we were founded last year in May, and the revenue was around $1.5 million. And this year our target is $10 million, and next year is 40. So next year we're actually also expanding to develop an AI product in mental health, so helping us to reach the margin of 80%. So quick history of our company. We were founded last year, and soon after that we signed 2 customer contracts. And end of last year we won the first place in the AI Go competition out of 200 AI teams. And this year we signed more customer contracts, including some big names like Xinguang Life Insurance and also the leading gaming industry companies, IGS. And also we now work with Acton and won another contest of AI Plus. But our focus now is the medical AI. We already work with 5 hospitals and also the Taiwan Society of Suicidology. So we already work with hospitals around in Taipei, in Taichung, Kaohsiung, and Yida. I actually just came back last night, and on the way back I also stopped by Taichung, talked with Guangtian doctors and other customers in the legal industry and gaming and even media. So our team, I'm the founder and I was the CDO and also pre-sales, bridging the customers with technologies. And our Med AI Chief Advisor, Gordon, and CTO, Chris, and Jeremy. And also we have the user experience designer, because we believe that a good AI project involves domain know-how, AI technology, and also user experience. So last, the advisory board, we have the operational strategy, product strategy advisor, financial advisor, He's the CFO of the Tmall.com. Thank you very much.